Hi, my name is Brad Davis. I have been a plumber for a little over 32 years. 27 years in the field, 5 years here at Rheem. Here at Rheem, I'm a plumber support manager, and I help plumbers find the resources and solutions to their everyday job. This is an interactive video, so get in the comments and ask your questions, and our team will answer. Let's cut into it. So let's take a look inside. Let's talk about the heat pump water heater family. Hybrid models are 240-volt heat pump and electric water heaters in one, whereas the plug-in models are 120-volt, 100% heat pump with no elements. The new hybrid model has top and side water connections for universal installations, and a duct-ready design reduces installation costs with no duct adapters required. It comes in a 40, 50, 65, and 80-gallon capacity. It has up to a 4.07 UEF, and heat pump water heaters are the most efficient water heating solution. Homeowners can save up to $576 per year in energy costs compared to a standard electric model. That's $5,760 over 10 years. Be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more information to stay up to date on the latest water heating technology. Let's talk about how a heat pump water heater works. They work like a refrigerator in reverse. It pulls heat energy from the air around it to heat the water. The refrigerant system absorbs heat from the surrounding air. The compressor superheats the refrigerant, which passes through condenser tubing that's wrapped around the tank. The water in the tank absorbs the heat. Now, let's talk about the smart features. The Rheem heat pump water heater has smart features powered by EcoNet technology. Homeowners can download the EcoNet app and connect it via Wi-Fi to access the features while on the go with their mobile phone. 5 operating modes, including energy saver mode and vacation mode. Scheduling to maximize those savings. Hot water availability indicator so you never take a cold shower. Energy usage reports to monitor consumption. Push notifications of critical care alarms or service alerts. Leak guard leak detection and prevention system on select models. In the unlikely event of a leak, detects any leak in as little as 15 seconds and has auto shutoff to limit leaks with no more than 20 ounces of water. Enroll in available local energy savings programs through the app. Homeowners will love the savings due to efficiency up to $576 per year in energy costs. Pays for itself in 2 years or less and qualifies for up to $2,000 in federal tax credit. They can check for local rebates. You'll find the links in our description box for all of these. The unit reduces carbon footprint with up to a 75% reduction in energy use and produces 0 greenhouse gases on site. Here's what we're hearing from our plumbers that customers love. Customers can participate in utility time of use rates and plan around energy costs that change throughout the day with modes of operation and scheduling via the EcoNet app. Plumbers will love the upgrade to this smart high-efficiency water heater. Flexible installation with universal top water connections in addition to the side connections that were on a previous model. Duct-ready design reduces installation cost and time. Easy access to front-facing serviceable components, including elements, thermistors, condensate line, and snap-off electronic controls. 0 side-to-side clearances to fit in those tight spaces. Widest operating temperature range in its class, 37 to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Advanced diagnostics to give plumbers key information on the water heater or in the EcoNet app. When the video ends, get to talking in the comments, ask questions, and our team will answer. Visit Rheem.com/heat pump hub for all things heat pump. See the video description for more resources like product brochures, videos, savings calculator, tax credit information, and product features. Be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more informational content like this. We'll see you in the comments.